Viking Spirit blade medium size saddlebags. These are 25-liter saddlebags. This is the mounting kit for the Honda Rebel 500. I have a 2023. First thing to check for is make sure you have a left and a right mounting bracket. They both have to be different. If they're both the same, it's not going to work. Make sure they're different. Let's go install these. The first step to installing these saddlebags is to remove two of these fender washers on each side. I believe they are installed with a Loctite so the first time you're loosening these up, it's going to be pretty hard. It's a 6mm Allen key. I already took these off once. Save these. You might want to use them again someday. Step 2, we're gonna mount the mounting brackets. Doesn't matter what side you start with. I'm gonna start with the left. And spacers will go in the back. You could use Loctite on them at this point, but I want to be able to take them off when I need to, so I'm electing not to. Now we're going to do the same thing on the right side of the bike. Mounting brackets. This is what we have. Notice that this bolt placement and this bolt placement is at the same area. If you're using two of the same brackets, one side will be off-centered from the other. Now let's go get those bags. Well, let's install the left side saddlebag. First, you want to put 2 washers on. Then your bags. There's already pre-drilled holes in the bags. Pop them on. Use 2 more washers on the inside. Then use a lock nut. And then the 12mm nut provided. Also, at this point, if you wanted to, you could use some Loctite. The blue is recommended. Like I said, I want to get these off from time to time. Maybe. Especially if you're not using Loctite, you're going to want to check these nuts every so often. Make sure they're not wiggling out on you. And that's it. There's your left side. Now let's install the right side bag. Start off with a couple washers. Washers. Lock nut. Lock nut. And 12mm nut. One of the features that I really liked about these bags was the locking feature. It's currently locked. So if somebody is trying to get in your bag, these bags do not open easy when they're locked. You got a little pocket here for your documents and plenty of space inside. You could fit up to 35 beer cans or soda cans. Wink, wink. I'm just hoping that it's not too close